Introducing the all-new Italiano range of pizza. Pizza Ultimo. Pizza Hut.
A large number of houses were damaged by gale force winds experienced in several areas last night. The Disaster Management Center states that reports of fallen trees blocking roads have emerged. The Western Province faced the brunt of the gale force winds. Several houses located down Sita Lena Road in Avisavela were damaged due to fallen trees. Ten houses in the Pahalabo media area were also damaged by strong winds. The electricity supply to the area was disrupted with trees falling onto power lines. The Department of Meteorology notes that rain accompanied by strong winds could be expected in the coming days.
Showery and windy weather will continue to prevail. Showers will occur at times in the western, Sabaragamuwa, central and southern provinces and in the Kutlam and Kurunegala districts. Southwestern monsoonal winds will be strengthened at times over the island and especially along the western slopes of central hills.
Meanwhile, a number of reservoirs in the central hills have reached spill level due to the inclement weather. 3 spill gates of the Mausakali reservoir were opened last night. The water level at the Castlereagh reservoir has also reached spill level. Nuwara District Secretary DPG Kumarasiri requests those living close to reservoirs to remain vigilant about the excess water that is being released from reservoirs. Furthermore, heavy rains that battered the Hatton area last night inundated low-lying areas and the Hatton police grounds.